Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to replace Word inside of Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, before we get started with that, I will show you how to install the Visual Studio Code first. First of all, all you need to do is go ahead and open your browser and then you can search for code.visualstudio.com or just search for Visual Studio Code and like that open the first website. This page shall be open for you, so all you need to do is click on download for Windows and it shall be started to download. After that, I highly suggest you guys to choose like the most famous languages before like in the installation process. For example, Python, C++, Java, and HTML. And of course, C Sharp if you want it. After that, you create an account and you open the software. Now, let's say that you have a code and you have so many words that's repeated and you want to change the same words into something else. For example, for me, I have, for example, hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, repeated so many times. So, for example, how about we change the hi to something else? What you can do. So, click on Control Shift L and it will directly select all the words that have the same thing. So, here, what I'm going to do is basically delete if I want, or just type now. For example, we can type hello instead of hi, and this can work with anything else. So, for example, here we can remove this and we can type, for example, to my YouTube's channel, for example, or something like that. And yeah, you can add like so. You can edit multiple lines doing this method, for example, which is like Control Shift L. You can like write codes in different lines if you want. You can delete multiple words at once. You can even delete multiple lines at once if you want to. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section and see you guys in the next tutorial.